Steps to prepare rasam. Ingredients required: 1 bowl tomato, 1 bowl boiled tur dal, 2 spoon tamarind paste, red chilli, curry leaves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, salt, oil, rasam powder and turmeric powder. Keep the pan for heating. When pan is heated, add 1 spoon oil. When oil is heated, add half spoon mustard seeds, half spoon jeera, red chilli, curry leaves, fry it, add half spoon turmeric powder, and add 1 bowl tomato. And fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add 1 bowl boiled tur dal, 2 spoon tamarind paste, 1 spoon rasam powder, mix it and add water. Now add salt to taste and boil for 5 minutes. Now turn off the gas. Rasam is ready to eat. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe for more videos.